To perform the lying leg raise, lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Raise your legs at a 90-degree angle and keep your legs as straight as possible as you flex your core and lower your legs down, just hovering above the floor, and pull them back up. Take a deep breath in as you come down toward the floor and breathe out as you bring your legs up toward the ceiling. If you need a regression of this exercise, bend your knees slightly and then work your way up to be able to do it with straight legs. Continue with good form through all repetitions. This exercise is the lying leg raise. It's a challenging lower abdominal exercise that carves out your lower abdominal muscles and protects your back if you can grow the rectus and transverse abdominals. Let's get after it.